Hey! 2020, y'all. This is my wish to you. May all your dreams come true. Happy New Year! A New Year's prayer for all the females and males in the honorable and ornery profession of sales. It is my mission to get you more commission, to decrease your attrition, make your dreams come to fruition. So let your suspicion go. Permission given for musician erudition in this holiday rendition. May you bleed the A leads and forget all the B's. After all this year you've done all of those good deeds. May your prospects treat you with the utmost respect. May you connect and resurrect even those that were exed. This is my wish to you. May all your dreams come true. Happy New Year to what will you do when you reach your quota? Take a trip to Sarasota or buy you a new Toyota. What? You don't care? 1 iota? Banish thee to the cold calling corner. May your bonuses come with no slownesses and your renewals like jewels without the cruel dues and your increased revenue. Have you screaming yahoo in your kazoo that you bought down in Kalamazoo. This is my wish to you. May all your dreams come true. Happy New Year to let me reinforce there will be no buyer's remorse. They'll ne'er endorse to what's yours like a painful divorce and charge backs like a hack to your back, a full-blown heart attack. They'll steer clear of your rear in the coming new year. This is my wish to you. May all your dreams come true. Happy New Year to this is my wish for you. May all your dreams come true. Happy New Year to you. 2020, y'all.